Lata Mangeshkar, popularly known as the Nightingale of India, the Queen of Melody, and the Voice of Millennium, was an Indian playback singer and occasional music composer. She was born on 28 September 1929 in Indore. Mangeshkar was introduced into music at a very young age by her father, Pandit Deenat Mangeshkar, who was a classical singer and theatre actor. At the age of 5, she started to work as an actress in her father's musical plays. She was the first Indian who performed at Royal Albert Hall in London in the year 1974. At the beginning of her career, she had faced many rejections. Most of the directors and producers thought that her voice was too thin to fit any heroine's voice. It is said that when Lata Mangeshkar sung the song Hey Mere Vatan Ke Logon, which had made the first Indian Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru into tears. She has honored 3 national awards and 8 Filmfare Awards and also had featured in Guinness World Record for having recorded the maximum number of songs. And Mangeshkar left behind thousands of memorable songs in her singing career that spanned the arc of Indian cinema. Music is my life and God. My prayer is music. It is like a father and mother to me, said by Lata Mangeshkar. The true legend, Lata Mangeshkar, the queen of melody, always lives in the heart of every Indian citizen.
जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी जब देश में थी दीवाली वो खेल रहे थे होली जब हम बैठे थे घरों में जब हम बैठे थे घरों में वो झेल रहे थे गोली थे धन्य जवान वो अपने थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी जो शहीद